Hey, are you fed up with those awkward-looking knock knees of yours? Don't sweat it. We've got a bunch of super easy tips and tricks that will get you back on track in no time. No need to hit up a fancy gym or hire a personal trainer. We've got everything you need right here. From quick and simple exercises you can do while binge watching your favorite show to small lifestyle changes that'll make a huge difference, we've got your back, or, well, your knees. So, grab a notepad and pen, kick back, and let's dive in. You won't believe how simple it is to straighten out those knees. Number 10. Butterfly pose. Sit on the ground with your legs straight in front of you. Slowly bring your feet closer to you so your knees can tilt to one side. Grab your ankles and press your knees with your elbows to stretch your groin for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Stretching your groin will allow your hips to rotate outwards, which will also help your knees rotate outwards. Number 9. Side lunge. Side lunges are a great way to train your legs, especially your inner thighs. In addition to this, it helps align the knees, which improves stance and posture. How to make a side lunge. Start by standing straight, and put your feet hip-width apart. Take a big step to the right. Bend your right knee as you push your hips back. Push off with the right leg to return to the starting position. Number 8. Clamshell. Lie on your side with your knees slightly bent. Press your shins into the floor and slowly lift your knees toward the sky, feet together. Raise and lower the knee 8 to 10 times, then switch sides. This exercise strengthens your hip flexors and thighs. When your hip flexors and hamstrings are strong, they allow your knees to rotate outwards instead of bending them inwards. Number 7. Seated figure 4 stretch. Sit on a chair and place 1 foot high on the opposite knee. With your knees to one side, slowly press your inner knees to extend your hips. Release after 3 seconds, then repeat the stretch 8 to 10 times on each leg. Extend your hips and upper legs, activate your hip flexors, and rotate your knees outward. As your hips rotate outward, your knees also rotate outward. You can do most knee exercises and stretches 6 to 7 days a week. However, if they cause you even moderate pain or discomfort, consult your doctor before continuing. Number 6. Lying leg lifts. Lie on your side with your legs straight. Keep your lower legs on the ground and raise your thighs in the air at about a 45-degree angle to the floor. Slowly lower your leg, then lift it 8 to 10 times before switching sides. By doing this, you will strengthen your thigh and gluteal muscles. These muscles help rotate the hips and knees outward. Number 5. Leg band stretches. Attach a Pilates band to a sturdy object at about ankle height, such as a chair or table leg. Stand next to a hard object and tie a rubber band around your outside leg. Slowly lift your leg out to the side, keeping your hips straight. Keep this position for 3 seconds, then lower your legs. This exercise strengthens your hip flexors and hamstrings, both of which control the direction of your knee. Number 4. Squats. To perform squats, stand with your feet hip-width apart. As you drive your feet forward, slowly bend your knees and tighten your hips to lower your body. Slowly push back to the starting position as your legs are at a 90-degree angle. Try to do a total of 10 squats. Squats simultaneously strengthen the quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the lifestyle changes. Number 3. Use leg braces or orthotic shoes. Use well-fitting running shoes as your everyday shoes. A good pair of running shoes can take the strain off your knees and ankles, and you can benefit even if you're not an athlete. Look for shoes designed to correct hyperpronation. The foot turns inward when running or walking. Go to a store that caters to runners to get shoes fitted. They can recommend shoe brands and let you try them on for the perfect fit. For additional support and gait correction, use leg braces or orthotics. Your doctor or physical therapist may suggest special shoes or braces to help straighten your feet and knees. These devices can also take the strain off your knees and prevent them from getting worse. Ask your doctor or physical therapist which device is best for you. Many people with genu valgum have one leg longer than the other. Orthotic shoes can help correct this discrepancy, allowing you to walk and run more easily without putting pressure on your knees and feet. In addition, orthopedic shoes prevent the foot from rolling inward when walking. This is a common gait problem in patients with the gene. You can also use a leg brace that supports the outside of the knee joint. Number 2. Strengthen your knees with yoga. There are several yoga poses and exercises you can try to develop knee strength, flexibility, and stability. Combined with physical therapy, yoga can be especially helpful in treating knee problems. Find a qualified yoga therapist experienced in treating knee problems, or ask your physical therapist for a referral. They can teach you the correct positions and exercises to prevent you from injuring your knee in the future. Some good poses for strengthening the knees are the warrior pose and the triangle pose. Number 1. Do knee-friendly Pilates workouts. You can also do Pilates to strengthen your knees, relieve tension and improve knee mobility. Find a Pilates trainer who can give you great knee strengthening exercises, or ask your doctor or physical therapist for a recommendation. Try stretches and exercises at home to treat valgus knees. Do 4 stretches, butterfly stretches, and squats. Wear running shoes to support your knees and hips as you walk. Have a healthy diet to support bone health and lose weight if necessary. If your valgus knee is severe or you have arthritis, discuss surgical options with your doctor. We hope you found these tips and exercises helpful and that you're feeling motivated to take action. Remember, the road to straighter knees isn't always easy, but it's definitely worth it. Whether you're just starting out or you've been at it for a while, keep pushing yourself to reach your goals. And if you ever feel discouraged, just come back and watch this video again for a little boost of inspiration. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content.